Hi, this is a question of CAT 2024 slot 2. What's given here? Anil invests rupees 22,000 for 6 years in a scheme with 4% interest per annum compounded half yearly. Fine. So Anil is going to invest 22,000. What's the rate of interest? Is 4% interest per annum compounded half yearly. So the interest will become 4 by 2, that is 2. He invested it for how many years? For 6 years. So this power will become 12 because half year will occur 12 times in these 6 years. So this is the amount received by Anil at the end of 6 years. Sunil invests a certain amount in the same scheme for 5 years. How much amount I don't know. Take it equal to X. He invested for 5 years at the rate of invest 10%. 5 years, certain amount in the same scheme for 5 years and reinvest the entire amount he receives at the end of 5 years for 1 year at 10% simple interest. Fine. So, what do we write here? This is 2. The rate of interest was 4% for Anil. Separately, Sunil invests a certain amount in the same scheme. Then the rate of interest will become how much? Same. What should be that rate of interest? Same scheme, so half yearly. I'll write 2 here, raised to the power. He invested it for 5 years, so the power should become 10 because half year will occur 10 times in these 5 years. Now, this is the amount he's going to receive at the end of 5 years. Then he reinvests the entire amount received at the end of 5 years for one more year at 10%. That means now this money of Sunil will grow by 10% for one more year. So it should multiply 1.1 here. This is the amount received by whom? Sunil. If the now amount received by both at the end of 6 years are equal, what does it mean? 22,000 into 1.02 raised to the power 12 must be equal to what? X into 1.02 raised to the power 10 into 1.1. I can easily cancel out these 10 powers, these 12. Yes or no? So finally, what do we get? 22,000 divided by 1.1. The numerator will have 1.02 into 1.02. This must be the value of x, which was a principal for whom? Sunil. Now, this 1.1 will cancel it out 20,000 how many times? 20,000. What is 1.02 square? 1.02 square is 10404 with a decimal point. So 1.0404. When you multiply it by 20,000, you should get 20808. The answer is second option.